Welcome to PLP. The following presentation illustrates an acceptable hand application method of the PLP alloy slack span dead end for corrosive environments. It is designed for use on distribution lines to terminate primary conductors where the span is under very low tensile loading. All slack span dead ends come with an identification flag displaying the catalog number, the conductor range, and insulator information, and a warning label that indicates the load rating of the dead end. Each slack span dead end features a set of crossover marks located on the legs of the product that indicate the proper application point of the dead end. These marks are color-coded corresponding to the applicable conductor range. The cabled loop wraps around the insulator head, providing the termination for the conductor. Remove the identification flag from the dead end and place it around the neck of the insulator. Pre-shape the dead end at the crossover marks to preset the loop and set the legs for proper positioning on the conductor. Position the conductor in the side groove of the insulator above the dead end loop and pull it up to the proper tension. Begin to wrap the first leg that lies parallel to the conductor. Wrap this leg to completion. Lift the conductor into the top groove of the insulator and wrap the second leg on the conductor at the dead end's crossover mark. Wrap this leg to completion. This completes the alternate application of the alloy slack span dead end.